Kaylee. Dance.
Your birthday candle. Hurry.
Today is August
Happy birthday to me.
7th. August 7th, going to be Ashgate. It's Mom's birthday. We're at the camp. We're at Kaiser Camp and the National Forest in Fresno County.
If you jump, you would not know how it feels like to be alive.
Yes.
Huh?
Why is it blurry?
Focus on the colors.
Hey boys, put the stick down there. Put the stick down in the
I
fire.
don't know why it's...
Calvin?
Okay, no more, please. Kaylee's gonna be 9 in a few minutes.
Hi, Eller.
There's a fire and it's really big.
Calvin. Kristen. Danny.
We got a bunch of cups from Sonic.
Brenda. Kaylee. Aiden.
My phone's
Yeah.
gonna die.
Lắm thơ.
We've been here for like 6 hours. Follow me with fire!
Cam. Vô.
Bye-bye! Kiss? Kiss?
Jer.
There's a fire and it's really big. Evan, are you wet? She's playing with the fire! To jump in it.
Who? And Flo and Aiden. And me. Hey, are you guys having fun?
Where's Tristan and Thomas?
Yeah, we're having fun. You take a shot?
Oh, no thank you. Chán là của chắc chắn luôn cho mình nào á.
Don't play with the fire!
Look at Sleeping Beauty. Always sleeping till 2 in the afternoon. Tụi nó nhắn cột thẳng à. Nó sẽ nhắn cột đó lá số luôn.
Letting it to die. I know how to kill it already.